last year, and this is a shot of a building that I just thought was really, really cool in Edinburgh. If you've ever been to Edinburgh, there's a bit of a problem in the old town, and that is that the streets are very, very narrow. How many of you have spent money on a wide-angle lens? I'm about to tell you that was wasted money. So I got 3 shots. I did not have a wide-angle lens. Oh, and by the way, there's another problem with those 3 images. Let me go back to it. Can you see the other very major problem? Yes, shadows. All right, how I did this is I actually stood with my back against the building across the street, and I just took 3 independent pictures right there, okay? No big deal. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Tools menu and down to my Photoshop command, and I'm going to say what I would like to do is a photo merge. Now this command has been around for a while, but with CS4 it has been greatly enhanced and improved. I'm going to simply say, let's do a photo merge, and Photoshop says, okay, great, I see those 3 images. Now, I've got some options over here on the left-hand side. Do you guys remember what my background is? No, I mean like my personal background I told you when we started. Yeah, journalism. Do you know what that means? I don't understand any of that shit on the left-hand side. But I do see an auto button. And as any good journalist would do, you don't touch a thing. Just leave it set the way it's supposed to be, right? And I'll just simply say, okay, go for it. Now, what is happening right now is Photoshop is actually taking those 3 images and is opening each independent image, and we are doing a copy-paste, copy-paste, copy-paste of those images into one. Now, once it has done that, you can see them appearing over here on the left-hand or on the right-hand side in the images menu. Then it's actually aligning them. It is finding the overlapping pixels and lining them up. Now, once it has done that, it's going to say the problem with that image is you had varying lighting between the 3. So what it's going to do is now blending those 3 layers, creating masks, saying, is this pixel, does this match up? Is this properly lighted based around the pixels that are around it? And I now have 1 perfect shot out of 3 imperfect images. Yes, ma'am.
I have to do screenshots for websites a lot, but contain a lot of text. Do you do the same thing for screenshots?
I have used, so the question was, got to do screenshots for websites, and you know, you got to scroll and stuff like that. I have done that exact thing right there. Absolutely. Just make sure you got enough, room overlapping, and it'll do a perfect job of that. Yep. Really.
Screen grab with Firefox will do the whole page no matter how big it is, though.
Well, there you go. So